back to my channel, A Journey with Thea Joy. And I have a guest with me today, and he is...
Alpone, you know, it's your boy Alpone back with it. You know how we go. Eat 24/7.
Alright, so today we're going to do the 10 wing challenge in 10 minutes. And I think this was brought on by Sam's World. So we're going to try our hand today, and we have this chicken from Timmy Chan's restaurant, and it's supposed to be really good, so we're going to try today. Also, I have some sweet and sour sauce that I might use on if it gets too dry, and I got a little duck sauce as well. What are you doing?
Yes, sir. You know, we got the sauce with us, man. We dripping hot sauce today, man. You know, we're going to come back. You know, we're going to come back with another banger. You know, I'm finna win this challenge. You know, Team Alpone, you know how we do this. Yes, sir.
Yes, and we got something to drink. I got the strawberry drink over here.
You know, I got my Minute Maid, you know, juices and everything, natural fruits. Yes, sir.
Okay, so at the end of 10 minutes, we're going to come back and we're going to count we'll count these ends right here to see who won, who finished, if we both finish in time. Also, I'm getting ready to get started. Are you ready?
I'm ready. You know, I'm hungry.
All right, I'm hungry too. We haven't eaten all day. So I'm going to start the clock. 10 minutes. See that? 10 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Don't be trying to distract me. Are you sure you can see me? You like it? Mm-hmm. It's your first time trying?
I don't eat Popeyes. I don't eat stuff like that. Get some of that. Look at that. Where's my other piece at? Give me that. Yeah, I feel the smoke. I don't feel no smoke. No.
8 minutes, 19 seconds.
Yeah. You gotta see that. You gotta sit back. Some of that sauce on there. Put some of that sauce. That's really good. I taste that. That's real good.
Let me try some of it.
What's some more? She can't handle that.
Just a little bit. That is not good. It tastes like salt.
That's that good stuff. Let me get a little drink. Get a little sip. We got 6 minutes on now.
Time going fast.
Put that on there. You hear that? So we're eating a lot of stuff over there, man. You know what I'm saying? We drinking too much, man. You know I love that fried chicken. How much you gonna eat over there?
It's my third one. What about you?
Oh yeah, they're like my fourth. If you ain't first, you're last.
How?
More like my second one right here.
Really?
Cause it's good. And just take your time.
That sweet and sour sauce is good.
You know, shout out to my man Texas Pete, you feel me? You been getting me through a hard time. Oh man.
4 minutes, 24 seconds.
Bah. Alright, let's get back at it. This chicken right now.
This chicken is kind of salty. Is yours salty?
Not at all. You know, it's that good stuff.
I don't like the taste of salt. Ooh.
It's a little hot up here, ain't it?
You know. 3 minutes, 26 seconds.
I know how to eat these things. Let's see how many more pieces we gotta eat right here. Oh yeah, look like we finna. I got 3 more pieces of chicken left. Oh yeah.
2 minutes, 54 seconds.
Oh man. Big bites though. 5 seconds, y'all seen that?
5-second rule.
The fans seen it, my fans seen it. I don't know, man.
You gotta do 2 wings in 2 minutes.
Man.
Look at these big old wings. I think this should count as 2. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 minute, 36 seconds.
I'll do all that.
You gonna pull it out this time?
I don't know. How you looking over there, man?
I'm not looking too good.
Ah,
1 minute.
Ah. Yeah. Have more than that. Okay.
29 seconds.
Everybody.
Oh, 10 minutes up. Oh man, we tried. I'm full, but I kept going. Let's see. Let's count your bones and see how many you ate. I ate 1, 2, 3. You gotta be kidding me. I only ate 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right.
Here come the big dog. 1, 2,
I ate 4 of my portion.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Yes, sir. It's a good old 8 of them.
All right, that was close. Man, that was a good challenge. The food was pretty good, but my food was kind of salty today, so that kind of slowed me down a bit. But we really enjoy these challenges, and we're going to continue to do them. I'm going to invite Devin. Devin's going to start his own channel soon, so when we get that information up, we'll get back with you guys and let you know.
Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Like all you want. Leave comments, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let this video right here get 25 likes, and we're going to drop another banger for you on the YouTube. We're going to drop another banger for you if this video right here get 25 likes.
You mean 2,500?
2,500, 25, it don't matter. We gonna do it again.
We're going to do this again. This is so fun. We can give a shout out to Sam's World and all the mukbang people. We're coming for you.
Well, shout out to my boy Whiskey Leaf. You know, that's my main man's right there. You know. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, drop it in the comments what y'all want us to do next.
That's right. Again, my channel name is A Journey with Thea Joy. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Like, share,